Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to show you how to update the last version of the Hey Plus. So the link for the update is going to be down in the description. So this is the page you have to go to update, and these are the steps you have to follow. So the link for update and firewall is down here to download. Just tap it and is going to start to download. Now we have to download the last version of Hey Plus and the last version of Firmware. You have to save the file.
You can open here. We will go back. We will download last version of firmware. Save. You can open here, or we can go and download.
Now we are going to delete the last Hey Plus application, and if you try to work with new version, it's not gonna work and it's gonna cause trouble. So delete the last application and install the new version of it. Tap installed. Now the Hey Plus is installing with the new version. This is the new version of Hey Plus. Now after update you have to log in with your account. Now we log in with our account and you tap allow to allow these steps. So this is the new version. You turn the Bluetooth off. So these are some settings you can change how you want. Now is connecting with the watch. We have to wait a little bit. So it's connecting still. So after you connect your phone with the watch, it's gonna show us a table to update our watch automatically, but you don't do it because it's gonna update in Chinese. So we are going to show you how to update it in English. Now follow these steps. Go to settings, firewall update. So before you press update, go to the page and read the steps. If you don't understand, please read it carefully. Now we go to firewall and press update and immediately turn the Bluetooth off. Now this is not a problem because we are going to put the firmware in English that we download, because the last firmware is in Chinese. So this is the location that we're gonna send the new firmware version, the English version, and we have to follow these steps. So now go to File Manager, Downloads, and we're going to find the last firmware update in English. We copy,
Android,
data, and we go down, we find the folder, this folder. We go to Cache, Firewall, and the last folder. We paste it. So this is the file that we downloaded in English inside firmware. Now we select it. So this is the file that has been updated by the application and is in the Chinese. Delete. And now we are going to delete it. And this is the version we downloaded. This is the English version, and we're going to unzip it and put it in the last version place. Now after we put it, we go back to the app and we
will turn on Bluetooth on,
and now we wait for firmware download. Now it's being updated, and please don't turn off your watch or your phone because it's gonna cause too many problems. This is all for updating. Please subscribe, turn the notification on, and see you in the next video.